This has got to be caught on film. You're not going to be able to see anything. Just listen. Oh my God.
One thing about Jamarcus Russell, you can throw a Hail Mary from your own 30. He can hoist you up. He's a new player. You don't want to engage you there.
Oh my God. That is all.